Best term insurance plans for 2025. Top picks you shouldn't miss. Do you ever stay up at night worrying about what would happen to your family if something happened to you? It's a hard question, but it's one we all need to think about. What if you weren't there to take care of them? That's where term insurance comes in. In this video, I'm showing you the top 3 term insurance plans for 2025 that give you the most for your money. Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to make the best choice for you and your family. Secure Future Plus, a safety net for life surprises. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and having a reliable safety net can make all the difference. The first plan on our list is Secure Future Plus. This plan is designed to provide comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. This plan is great for someone who wants good coverage without spending too much. It's perfect for families looking to secure their future without breaking the bank. It gives you a lot of coverage. 1 crore rupees, which means your family will get 1 crore rupees if something bad happens. This substantial amount ensures that your loved ones are well taken care of. For just 400 rupees a month, that's less than a cup of coffee a day, you can make sure your family is financially secure. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that such a small investment can provide such significant protection. But here's what's really special about Secure Future Plus. It's not just about life insurance. It covers more than just life insurance. This plan also includes coverage for major illnesses, providing a lump sum of money if you get sick. This plan also covers big illnesses, giving you a lump sum of money if you get sick. This means you can focus on recovery without worrying about the financial burden. You get complete coverage at a really good price, so you can have peace of mind. Secure Future Plus is your partner in ensuring a stable and secure future for you and your loved ones. Family Shield Max. Double the protection, double the worry-free feeling. Imagine a life where you never have to worry about the financial future of your loved ones. Next, we have Family Shield Max, a plan that gives you even more protection. This plan is designed to ensure that your family is covered in every possible scenario. Family Shield Max gives you a huge 2 crore rupees of coverage. This substantial amount can help cover all your family's needs, from daily expenses to future investments. Think about how much financial security that would give your family. They can live their lives without the constant worry of financial instability. Family Shield Max is a great deal at just 750 rupees per month. This affordable plan ensures that you get maximum benefits without breaking the bank. But what's really special about Family Shield Max is that it pays double if you die in an accident. This means your family gets even more support when they need it the most. If something happens to you in an accident, your family will get twice the coverage, a total of 4 crore rupees. This can be a game changer in ensuring their future is secure. This amazing feature gives your family a huge safety net if something unexpected happens. They can continue to live their lives with the same comfort and security. It's all about giving them peace of mind, knowing they're protected no matter what. With Family Shield Max, you can rest easy knowing your loved ones are always taken care of. Chapter 3, Peace of Mind Plan, making sure your kids have a good future. In today's world, ensuring a secure future for your children is more important than ever. With the rising costs of education and living expenses, it's crucial to have a plan in place that guarantees their well-being. Lastly, let's talk about the Peace of Mind Plan, a term insurance plan made for people who want to take care of their children's future. This plan is designed to provide comprehensive coverage and peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of no matter what. The Peace of Mind Plan makes sure your children's future is bright, even if something unexpected happens. Whether it's covering educational expenses or providing financial support during tough times, this plan has got you covered. It gives you 1.5 crore rupees of coverage, a big financial safety net for your family. This substantial amount ensures that your children can continue their education and maintain their lifestyle without any financial hiccups. And the best part? The Peace of Mind Plan is only 500 rupees a month. This affordable premium makes it accessible for families from all walks of life, ensuring that everyone can secure their children's future without breaking the bank. But here's what makes the Peace of Mind Plan really great. It covers your children's education for free. This means that your children can pursue their dreams and aspirations without the burden of educational expenses weighing them down. This extra coverage for your children's education means they can still achieve their dreams, even if money is tight. It provides a sense of security and stability, allowing them to focus on their studies and personal growth. The Peace of Mind Plan shows how much you love your children and want them to have a bright future. By investing in this plan, you're not just securing their financial future, but also giving them the confidence to chase their dreams and build a successful life. So there you have it, the top 3 term insurance plans for 2025. Each one has special benefits and lots of coverage to protect your family's future. Remember, choosing the right term insurance plan is a big decision to protect the people you love. Talk to a financial advisor, compare these great plans, and choose the one that works best for you and your budget. Remember, peace of mind is really important, and with the right term insurance plan, you can relax knowing your family is protected no matter what happens.